With the winter months settling in, our wonderfully creamy and richly nourishing body butter will help combat the damage caused by the cold weather and fight off dreaded dry skin. Using just 3 ingredients, it's a luxury treat for yourself or as a lovingly made Christmas gift for family or friends. To make our toasted marshmallow 2-color body butter, you'll need the following: 800 grams of Stephenson's body butter base, 8 grams of Craftovator's toasted marshmallow fragrance oil, and 2 grams of Craftovator's blushed pink mica powder. You'll also need a set of kitchen weighing scales, 2 heat-proof jugs, a thermometer, 2 small containers for your fragrance oil, a small pot for the mica powder, 2 spatulas, cling film, a piping bag with a large nozzle, and 3 250ml cosmetic jars and caps from Craftovator. Start by weighing out 800 grams of body butter base into 1 jug. Split the 8 grams of fragrance oil into 2 separate containers of 4 grams each and weigh out 2 grams of blushed pink mica powder. Next, take your first 4 grams of fragrance oil and add it to your mica powder. Adding the mica to the fragrance oil will help disperse the pigment into the body butter base. Stir until fully combined. Now, heat your body butter base in the microwave or using the double boiler method until it reaches between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches this temperature, you'll need to split the mixture into 2 separate containers for each of your 2 colors. Pour 400 grams of melted base into the other jug. Now that your body butter base is in 2 containers, you'll want to add your second pot of 4 grams of fragrance oil directly to one of the jugs. This will be your white color. Stir to fully combine. Then, take the fragrance oil and mica mix you created earlier and add it to the second jug. This will be your pink color. Again, you'll want to stir this until it's fully combined. You'll now need to wait for the base mixtures to cool back to room temperature and thicken back up. This should normally take a few hours depending on your environment. Once the bases have fully cooled, place a large piece of cling film on your work surface. Scoop out your pink body butter mixture along the length of the cling film. Then take your white body butter mixture and do the same, placing it directly against the side of the pink body butter and along the length of the cling film. Now, carefully roll up the cling film and press gently along the length of the roll to get rid of any large air pockets and roll up the ends. Snip one side of the rolled end and carefully place inside your piping bag with the snip side at the nozzle end. Now, all that's left to do is pipe the mixture into your containers. You'll notice the piping bag does the hard work of creating that lovely swirled 2-color effect. With this recipe, you should be able to fill 3 250ml containers. Your body butters will be ready to use straight away. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Craftovator's Toasted Marshmallow Body Butter. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.